In this video, I will be showing you how to create math worksheet with AI Canva in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva homepage, I'll head over to the Templates tab and select the Canva AI option. In the search bar, I'll describe my idea by typing "Create a math worksheet for ages 3 to 5 years old," and then I'll hit the Submit button. While the AI works in the background, it's preparing educational targets and brainstorming learning activities specifically for my prompt. Now that the options have loaded, I can review the learning objective and choose which activity to generate. I'll select the Quick Number Match activity and click the Generate button at the bottom right. Once the notification pops up that the activity is ready, I click Open to view the design in a new tab. To start customizing, I'll zoom in and move the instruction and tips boxes to the side to clear my workspace. I'll also select and delete the text box at the bottom that I don't need. To fill the worksheet with custom visuals, I'll go to Elements and open the Magic Media tool. For the first placeholder, I'll type a prompt to generate a single red ball bouncing in a park. I'll pick the best image and drag it right into the placeholder for number 1. Next, I'll clear the search and type a prompt for 5 cute dogs. I'll generate the images and move my favorite one into the spot for number 5. I'll repeat this process for the remaining numbers. For number 2, I'm generating an image of a pair of yellow hats and dragging it into place. For number 3, I'll prompt the AI for 3 bright apples on a picnic blanket and drop that into the third placeholder. For number 4, I'll ask for 4 small ducks swimming in a pond and add it to the worksheet. Finally, for number 6, I'll generate an image of 6 fun cars in a sandpit and drag it into the last spot. Now my custom math worksheet is complete and perfectly matched. I hope this helps you create engaging educational materials for your students.